Oh, okay, folks, here's my first recording. I'm just testing it out in sections right now because I'm going to try to mix up the video and the display on the screen because I think it's easier to see the calculator this way. So if I flip over to this screen, we should see the questions we worked on yesterday. And we're going to talk about how we do these in the calculator. So right here, I had this function right here, the integral from 0 to 300 of r of t. What I like to do, you don't have to do it this way. I'm going to come to my calculator. Like you could type the whole thing in the calculator if you wanted. What I like to do is I like to put both functions into a graph. And I'll show you why. 44 times, now let's do it the regular calculator way. This is how you do it on the test, so let's do it the way you're going to do it. So part A asks me to find the integral. Menu, calculus, integral, between 0 and 300 of the function is listed. Be very careful when using symbols. 44 times. Now we have a set of parentheses started. Let's start a new set of parentheses. Use the fraction tool. T over 100. Go outside the parentheses to the third. Times, start parentheses again, and they know where, if you're going to make a mistake here, it's going to be on the calculator part. That's why they're testing out all these things. T over 300, outside the parentheses, not yet outside, outside to the 7th, dt. And if I did that right, and I hope I did, I hit enter. I did not do that right. I actually lied about that. I was thinking about a different problem along the line. And when I put that in, I got 270. And I'm just double checking my answers right here. 270 was the correct answer for r of t. So I'm going to go to my thing here. I'm going to fill that in at 270. So the second part asks for the total of, which is start, which is 20, plus this integral here, which we know now is 270, minus the integral from 0 to 300 of 0.7, where that's the rate. So let's go to the calculator. Oh, let me go to the calculator. Then I'm going to pause it after this. Let's integrate that in menu, calculus, integral from 0 to 300 of 0.7. The letter I put it doesn't matter, I'm going to put dt. Enter. So that means I've got 20 plus 270 minus 210 equals 80, which matches the answer we have right there. Okay, I'm gonna save this video, and then I'm going to see if it recorded okay. I'll upload it, and I'll get the next part of the problem in there.